All right. Good morning, all. I want us to repeat this part 9. Last time we had a problem with part 9. It was not working really because I made a mistake and I deleted the video. I did not upload it. But today I want us to start afresh. I think we did something like this with CloudSoft Navbar and all that. But this is where we are. What I will do is to remove this. I will completely remove it. I've removed the navbar completely from our yes, so nothing is here. Are we there? I don't know whether you understand what I did. Huh? Please respond. So I should know that I'm communicating with humans. So I've run the application already. The application is running. Let's just make a test here. H1. Testing the header component. You know, we already discussed components. Is it? We have discussed components and we have discussed a lot of things really. For those who are following us through the video, you can search for the videos online from our YouTube channel, and then you can follow the lessons and you can learn as well. But in a nutshell, we discussed how to create a folder here. We created component about, we created carousel, CBT portal, enrollment, footer, header, and so many other services, master component, login, and sign up. And we made master component to be the one to be invoked whenever the application is run. Then later we invoked header component on top of the master component. So now this component is running on master. This is master component, but we embedded only header at the top here. This is what we did. So we want to now introduce a realistic header component from Bootstrap. You know, you can use Bootstrap or Angular material. We haven't started using Angular material yet because I want us to perfect Bootstrap first. So, but Angular material is also a very good material UI. So when you click on documents, come down to where navbar is mentioned under components. You're going to see navbar. Can you see navbar here? So then when you click on it, it opens. You come down to where navbars are. This is a navbar, right? And we can make use of this. Then you copy it. Come back to your IDE. This is the IDE that prints out this on the screen, right? So I will now, even before removing this, let me just paste it here and save. Then we check our result. Can you see? But I don't need this. It is of no use. Then please go back there and remove it, because I don't want to remove it for somebody to see where is it. And then when you remove, save it. Can you see this is what we have, right? As a what? As an app bar. Now the first thing we do is to remove things that are not needed. But before I do that, let's format our navbar first. Then we will do the removal, so we don't confuse ourselves. As it is like this, actually we cannot use it because we need to style it. We need to give it style. We need to give it style with CSS and all that. So a very good example of styling is you can do the styling from the element. or you do global styling. I'm trying to reduce the hair. So now let's check on these. What is this? This is the class, the main class, which it says nav, and the next is what? Fluid. So if I should style this, I should write style here. Sorry, I should write style and give it background color to be any color I wanted, right? The person with that phone, please silence it. It is disturbing. All right, so it is giving it color here, really. But this color, I don't think if this color is all that okay with us. So let me look for a darker one, dark blue. Oh, but this looks somehow ugly. I think we can go with this. You can create your own color, but then you see the fonts are not being seen, right? Then you need to give the font something, a color that will bring it out for you, so you see what is it. All right. But one thing here, all this I'm doing, you can do it at the global CSS instead of you doing it inline. You can make it at the global CSS instead of me doing this styling here. I removed it. It's better I allow this and then I make use of, I call this class. This is a class, right? I can pick this class and then move to the CSS part of this component. The CSS, the component is header, and I'm working on header.component.html. Now I want to go to header.component.css, double click, it opens. Then you do your styling here, right? So how do we do? You can say dot, you present this as a class, and then you give it background color as any color you think it's okay with you. Let me go by this blue, for example, and brown. Can you see I'm styling from where? From the global CSS, but global CSS component based global CSS, not because we have the actual global something for the entire project, but this is component based. So but then if the color is not okay for you, you can adjust it here, give it what you wanted, for example, or something similar. It all depends what is in your mind or what you are designing. I think I should give it this brighter, like something like anyway, just give it color you want it, and you can also leverage on Google Colors or something if you are looking for a very customized, highly customized color or something. All right, so this color, I don't think anyway, it shouldn't waste our time. Just give it color wanted. You wanted the color you wanted from your own side. Look at something here. The batch B, they said they needed black, and we picked black. So I don't know of you if it is black that suits you, or blue, or whatever. But then one thing is, once it is too dark like this, you need to give the fonts kind of a bright color so it comes out. So you go back to your CSS and give something. You can see color what? Can give it white or white smoke or wheat or something. Let's see what we can get here. Wheat. But if you say transparent, let me remove this and see. So I'm formatting from the global CSS. It seems the font is not, color for the font is not working from here, right? So probably we need to check on another class for the font color to work. Yes, and let me check, let me try important. Yeah, it's still not working, so let me ignore this and check for another class. But this works for the entire thing. And next is we check from our IDE, we check from the HTML. This is what we copy from what do you call, from Bootstrap. And this class, it seems this class we are supposed to give font color from this class, Napa brand. So now to the global CSS, you can see now Napa brand, open and close square bracket, and then let's give it font, sorry, what do you call, color, and we want it white or something similar. Yes, it is coming out. So this is white, this is not white. But if you want it pure white or something, you can see white or white smoke. So this is our nav bar, exactly. Let's quickly format it. This is the nav bar, that means this class, we are formatting this only this class. So it is our brand. Let's give it color, let's give it name. What are we developing? We say CloudSoft, right? CloudSoft. Consulting, right? If it is academy, let's see CloudSoft Academy. CloudSoft Academy. And then we can do similar to. Then what is the next class from here? Number brand button. Okay, this is a toggler, and I think the next class is this collapse. So let me format collapse and see how it looks like. And I'll give it background color. Let me see if I give it white, what will happen. I'm just testing. Okay, the background color will not really change from, since we have already formatted the class that encloses it. But then the color, right? The color, let's say wheat, and see. What if you say important? Okay, so let me check on another class after collapse. Okay, I think this is the class that will work. Nav bar, the nav bar, as in the list. How are you? You want to come in here? White. So which is the actual class? Okay, maybe it is item, right? Yes. You need to check. Let me just replace it here. Napa brand. Let me check it clearly, very clearly. Napa brand. This works. So this starts from where? Which is under flute. Start from here as an anchor, and class. Okay, Napa nav, and this is an item. Huh? Nav link where? Okay, nav link. Yeah, nav link. Thank you. So that means this guy is really following. The rest. Yes, thank you. That's very good. So home, I don't know what happened with home. Home. Okay, nav link active, right? So all active should also have same thing. But if you want to change the color when it is active, then for example, if it is active, you want it say like red, for example, or instead of red, something reddish, or something fading like this. But unless if it is active, it comes out with that. But I think let's give it white as others. Number link. But I think all these links should have same color. I mean same class. Anyway. Okay, there's no working for the home, right? Active. Napa link. Active, and then Napa link. Napa nav. I think won't collapse do all this for us? Napa collapse. It should be able to do all this for us. Right. Well, we shouldn't waste time. Maybe I will correct something, because what I wanted doing is not even these colorations and all these. Okay, let me remove the one I've just done now. Most likely I'm missing one class I'm supposed to use here, but then let's go by this. For the home, I'll correct it. We don't need search. We don't need all this. We don't need all this. Even the link, we only need link. Link is needed, but all these things are not needed. Okay, so let's remove them from here. You need to be very careful so you don't tamper with the bootstrap knob. HTML. This is for the search. Yes, if you check this, I've removed search and it's gone. Then the disable down to this, I only need link. So the whole of this item I think it's not needed. We only need link. Link is an item here, and drop down is also an item under this U list on ordered list. So for the whole of this sub U here, the embedded U list is removed. Then it will remove okay, it is a sub, so you won't notice it. Global link down drop this. Now I need to be very careful so I don't let me disable something else. For disable, not needed. For this also start from down. Okay, not really, not needed. Okay, now link. It only remains link. Good. So I'll check what happened with this home. Maybe we haven't captured it class. I don't want us to waste time really. So for the link we needed something, not link really. Not link. These are yes. Yes, exactly. So I think we have mentioned some things there. Services, things like that, right? Who can recall all those things we have mentioned? All those links. Can somebody recall? So please give me the list of all those things. So I will reuse the link here. One thing here is, you say what? Services. Okay, the first thing here is we don't need link, rather about, right? Is it about? About with capital A. Services, right? Okay, depending on our component here, right? Yes, it has to go hand in hand with our component. About, services, enrollment, right? Enrollment. What next? CBT portal. Right? Next. Login and sign up. Login, maybe contact, right? Or contact us. Yes, that's good. I asked you to put a logo and a carousel, right? Let's do our routing first. Let me stop this video and start another one, then we start the routing.